back with another ride. Today I'm riding to Almaden Lake, which is a beautiful lake south of the Bay Area, south of San Jose, and it's a kind of a cold November morning. Beautiful weather in California as always. 70 degrees or close to 20 degrees Celsius, and it's amazing to ride in the sun. So I thought I'll just take a ride and capture all the beautiful colors that have come out during this fall. It's a contentious point if California has beautiful colors, but you'll see there are some spots where there are some beautiful colors. So yeah, these are some roads, inroads that join the Almaden Expressway, and from there we can make our way to the Almaden Lake. This is the main entrance to the Almaden Lake, and there is a loop that goes around the lake. That's what we'll be doing first. There is a trail that connects to the Almaden Lake called Los Alamitos Creek Trail. So what we'll be doing is we'll be going around the lake and show you some of the beautiful scenery and colors, and from there we'll take the Los Alamitos Creek Trail, which is about 5.2 miles, and we'll go out and back. That's going to be the ride today. A bridge. This bridge is where the Los Alamitos Creek Trail starts. So if you take a right, that'll get us to the Los Alamitos Creek Trail. Right now we'll go straight and do a circle of this lake, go around this lake, come back, and then take a right. Oops. Yeah. Just some background of this lake. This lake is fed by the river, or the creek with which this lake is fed comes from the mountain that you'll be seeing on the other side of when we get to the other side, and it runs. There was a silver mining operation in those hills, so this water is apparently contaminated with oh sorry, not silver, mercury mining mine. So this water is contaminated with mercury, and so it's not drinkable and fishing is not allowed. So it's dangerous for pets to drink. It's just an information. It's written everywhere. So if you're coming new and you come across that, you can just be careful. Those are the Santa Cruz Mountains that you can see on the other side. Lots of beautiful ducks swimming. It's cold but sunny, amazing, beautiful to ride this time. Okay, after this short break, let's get back. When we moved here a few years ago, this loop, this trail was not a full loop. It used to, we'll be coming across a bridge, and after we go under the bridge, the trail used to end there, and you would have to come back out and about. Right, it was not connected onto the other side. But so a few years ago, there was a project that was done to connect the trail over the bridge so that it becomes a loop. So we'll be taking that path. So if we take a turn here and go up, that goes over a bridge, and then there is another U-turn which was made recently to make this a whole loop. This part was done new, and this is what makes it a loop. On this day there was some construction going on right ahead, so I took a turn and just drove around this beautiful picnic area. This is reservable for any special occasion or event, and as you can see, it's covered with these beautiful trees and amazing colors. as we approach this area, this kind of marks the end of the loop. This is kind of where we started when we entered. We're just going back to the bridge that I mentioned earlier, and once we reach that bridge, we'll be taking a right from there so that we get onto the Los Alamitos Creek Trail. As you can see to the right, this is the entrance of the Los Alamitos Creek Trail, and as you can see to the right, the creek or the river that feeds the lake runs parallel to it, and almost the whole length of this trail will have that creek on the side. It's very well paved, it's not very challenging, beautiful. Does get busy sometimes, but still plenty of space for easy riding and nice views. I do like this point. After about 2 miles from the lake, I think 2.5 miles from the lake is a small point where you can walk down and access the creek. I like to take a break, just listen to the voice, just listen to the sound of the creek and voice of birds chirping. And we quickly finish that break and get back. In about a mile from that, we come across the second bridge. This is another entrance to this trail, which opens to Camden Avenue, and it has its own parking lot, which does get filled up, but it's great to have a second parking lot and access to the trail. Some colorful trees around here. When it starts to change color, and some of the days when it's cloudy or rainy, it's just beautiful to ride through these places. This is close to the end of the trail. So we take a U-turn from there, and oh, beautiful! It was nice. Right, so we take a U-turn from here and head back. Thanks for watching. Until next time.